What's up? This your girl Queen J on What They Saying Tarot, coming to you with another reading for Gemini. Let's see what you got going on, Gemini. Trying to stay out the drama and the bullshit for sure. Trying to keep it from around your relationship. Could have probably had some drama and bullshit in your relationship involving other people in the past, and you probably got a new love, and you don't want to get the family involved with all that drama and that bullshit. Keep it on the down low. Nobody has to know. Yeah, y'all got going on, Gemini? Yeah, you trying to keep on the down low. Could be your money moves for sure. Where you going? Who you with? What you spending? What you spending it on? Hope you ain't spending it on no pussy. Even though I love her so, she's got love for me. Don't be buying no ass and then feeling some type of way after you done paid your money and she done walked the fuck off to the next nigga because you think she got love for you and shit. Yeah, and you be broke. Or spending your money on some strippers. Spend it all your money on some strippers. Because she sit like a stallion. Alright. Yeah. I'ma buy you a drink. I'ma take you home with me. I got money in the bank. Shorty, what you think about that? Buy me in a gray Cadillac. Yeah. Better be careful who you offering to. They might be a fucking minor. Ain't even old enough to fucking drink up in the motherfucking club. Alright. They gonna lock your ass the fuck up and throw the motherfucking key. Yeah. What they say? Sitting back, looking over the years. I shedded some tears. Yeah, your ass gonna be locked up doing some fucking time. For fucking with fucking minors. Cause you wanna buy somebody a fucking drink, especially if she get pregnant. Mm. And her parents manipulating her shit. She done got pregnant and done find out. Shit, it's like her fourth pregnancy. This just the first one they finding out about. And they like, what? You pregnant? And who's the pappy? I'm that daddy's pappy. I'm that baby's pappy. They gonna put his ass up under the fucking jail. You hear me? Whoever the fuck is out in the club buying motherfuckers drinks. And minors, they is not supposed to be in the club. You was supposed to take your motherfucking ass home. Instead, you want to stop, get a drink. Somebody at the motherfucking beach, riding on the strip, fucking doing, sipping paints and shit. Got you seeing double, huh? I smoke, I drink, I supposed to stop, but I can't. I'm a dog. I love hoes. I'm addicted to money, cars, and clothes. Do it big. Somebody doing it big. Who the fuck up in here? To start doing it big. Goddamn. Poured up drinks and shit, popping bottles, spending money. police gonna roll up in somebody's shit too. Y'all gonna be looking all stupid in the fucking face. I don't know if the party too fucking loud or what the fuck the case is. Y'all gonna be making motherfucking license plates. Somebody gonna be like, I was supposed to be at fucking work. Somebody was supposed to be at work. They out partying. And they done took the kids some damn place. And they supposed to be watching the motherfucking kids. And they out partying. Finna go to fucking jail. And they looking like, how the fuck I'ma fix this? Like, how the fuck did I get myself into this? Who the fuck should I call? I don't even know where the fuck I'm at. Somebody car gonna break down. And they fall the fuck out when they motherfucking car break down. They don't even know who the fuck to call it. They'll fucking fix the motherfucker. Like, let me look at my phone and see if I can come call somebody to help me fix this shit. I mean, you got the pieces all over the motherfucking place. Somebody gonna goddamn be doing some damn coke and somebody watching their motherfucking ass. Somebody putting too much salt in their motherfucking food too, or somebody damn girlfriend putting something in somebody's food, or you putting something in somebody's food, but they watching your motherfucking ass. Somebody put crushing pills up, putting it in somebody's motherfucking food. Y'all better cut that shit out. I mean, they mix it in the food. I guess they mix it in the people's food because they don't fucking eat it. Somebody up in age, they don't want to take their pills, so they take it out the capsules and pour it in their food. But this person watching your motherfucking ass. Yeah. They also be watching you when you be going out late night with some man or some woman too. Say you be going to work, but you be going to some man or some woman house late at night. Knowing damn well you ain't supposed to fucking be over there. Somebody gonna send you a damn message, but you ain't gonna see it. You probably got their ass blocked. Or somebody trying to tell you something. Somebody gonna either call you and you gonna miss the call. Somebody going to a dance or somebody out dancing. Could be a same-sex party for men. It'd be an exotic dancer for men. Unless this a gay couple that just dance to the sunrise. We be all night. Well, whoever the fuck this man's supposed to be coming home to, their intuition just lit as fuck. Like, I know some shit just don't sit right. This motherfucker be like he be out all night fucking drinking. But he be out with a motherfucking man dancing to the sun come up and shit. Let that motherfucker, ooh. Be careful if somebody might be trying to put something in your motherfucking drink too. If you going the fuck out leaving your motherfucking cup sitting around and shit. It's people out here putting shit in motherfuckers' drinks at parties and shit. So be careful of motherfuckers sitting your cup down and coming back. Like, the corona going on, motherfuckers still trying to find crazy ass ways to kill a motherfucker. It's not just about money. Sometimes people want to steal your motherfucking light too. Yeah. Somebody damn car gonna run out of fucking gas some fucking one. In the middle of nowhere. Somebody might be creeping around your house or your job or seeing whether you at work. Somebody could be protecting themselves from somebody too. That they don't want to come back. Somebody that they done rejected. Somebody just come back every time somebody get paid. Smooth operator. Yeah, it's gonna be an end to that shit though. But shit, the time they need you and you cut their motherfucking ass off, then everything just gonna fall apart. Shit, their lights might get cut off. This person might literally lose every motherfucking thing. They gonna have to take that burden some fucking way else. When one person get tired of using a person, shit, they'll find a new victim.